PRM 900. The complete line of high productivity, compact sizes for small gauge articles in PVC. Easy to use and reliable for the production of toys and balloons of different sizes and applications, articles for roads and highways, fenders and buoys for shipping, technical parts for the automotive industry, hygiene and health products, and articles for newborn babies. The moulding cycle starts by opening the mould and introducing the valve carrier tube. The material is loaded quickly and precisely thanks to the ergonomic Plastisol dispensing tool, a volumetric pneumatic measuring device conceived for PVC that can store up to 15 different weight regulations for different loading needs. The opening and closing operations of the moulds can be facilitated by a pneumatic screwdriver equipped with a convenient spring rocker arm and support. The roller unit facilitates the movement of the moulds in the different work areas. A thermoregulation system managed with a touchscreen panel facilitates the management of the entire production cycle. The cooking phase takes place with a burner working with natural gas, LPG gas, diesel, or with electric resistances. The primary and secondary rotations on the single moulds holder arm are independent, thus guaranteeing perfectly uniform distributions. The cooking cycle and the door handling are completely automatic. The cooling of the material is managed by a time switch. At the end of the cooking phase, the moulds are immersed inside a stainless steel tray equipped with moulds holder support. The moulding cycle ends with the opening of the mould and extraction of the products. A special device regulates the quick and precise inflation of the balloons. The last phase is the automatic painting phase, quick, reliable and safe. The painting fumes are immediately removed by a powerful extractor fan.